How to put videos on Squarespace website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enhance visual appeal on Squarespace websites. First of all, open Google Chrome. Now search Squarespace in the search bar. Go to the first link. Now click on your profile picture in the top right. Click on the My Dashboard option. Now go to your own website that you have. As you can see, this is your own website. Now click on the photo and click on the edit icon. Scroll back up and choose a section. Now click on Edit Section. Click on the background option. Now go to the video section. Click on the plus sign, then click on Upload File. Choose the video that you want to put on your website. Wait for the video to load up. Now if you see the video section again, you can see that your video is showing on your website. You can edit the videos onto your website.